Hello students, today I will see again 4.2 exercise in quadratic equations. Yesterday I told you about the question number 1 to 4. Yes, one question I told you that I will tell you this question, that uh, how will you solve this question. Suppose this is the x square minus under root 2x minus 12. So how will you, कैसे आप इसको मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करोगे. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करने के लिए वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 1, वैल्यू ऑफ बी इज अंडर रूट 2, वैल्यू ऑफ सी इज 12 equals to 0. Suppose so you will write here 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. Now you know that under root 2 is here, so you will multiply here 2. First of all you will take 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Now you will take here, you know that every number is the multiple of its under root. So here is the 2 will be, you can write under root 2 into under root 2 into 3 into 2. Now you will take one with the 3 and another with the 2. So this will be 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. And when you will subtract from 3 root 2, 2 root 2, then it will be under root 2. Now this value you put here, x square minus x in bracket 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 close minus 12 is equals to 0. Now here you will open the bracket, x square minus 3 root 2x plus 2 root 2x minus 12 equals to 0. Here you will take common, x is common here, you will take x minus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 is common, you will take x minus 3 root 2. Now here is the pair. In the pair, what is common? X minus 3 root 2 in one bracket, another bracket x plus 2 root 2. So one root will be x is equal to 3 root 2, and this will be x plus 2 root 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2 root 2. So these two roots will be these two one. In the last class I told you that I will tell you about this one, how will use if there is the under root here, if in the middle term is the under root means irrational number, then how you will calculate this number like this. Now I am taking here question number 3 of the exercise 4.2. exercise exercise 4.2, question number third you will write in the solution. First you will see find the two numbers whose sum is 27. Suppose two numbers are there and whose sum is 27. Suppose I am giving you two numbers 5 and 20. I am telling you that sum of these two number is 25. But suppose I am asking you question, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं कि अगर 25 सम है और एक नंबर 20 है, तो आप दूसरे नंबर को फाइंड करने के लिए 25 माइनस 20 करेंगे, तीसरा नंबर मिल जाएगा. अब क्वेश्चन इज that if the sum of the two number is 27, so first you will let one number is x, another second number, first number you will write, first number is x, second number. Now question is sum of two number is 27. one number you have known here, आप जान गए एक नंबर, दूसरे नंबर के लिए क्या करेंगे 27 minus x, you will write 27 minus x, and the product of these two numbers is 182. 182, yes. So 80q, according to question you will write that x in bracket 27 minus x is equals to 182. Now here 27x minus x square minus 182 is equals to 0. Here we will minus x square plus 27 x minus 182 means you will write this value in the descending order, 2 power, 1 power, no power. Means you know that if the power of any variable is 0, its value become 1 unit. So here you will write, now you will middle term split, so you will factorize this 182 like this. 182 you are factorizing here. 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 7, 13 ja 13, 1 ja. So 13 means 7 2 ja 14, 14 into 13 is equals to 182, and 14 minus 13 is equals to 1. So this value we put here, minus x square plus x in bracket 14 minus 13 close minus 182 equal to 0. Here is minus x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182. Now you will take common here. Here is also this will be minus. Now is equals to, here we will put a plus, this will be plus, because you will write here plus, because the sum should be 27. Here is the 27x. So here you will take common minus x. What is remaining? X minus 14. Here is plus 13. Here will be also x minus 14. Now close equals to 0. You will make the pair here. आपका x minus 14 in one bracket and minus x plus 13 in another bracket. This like here. So I am taking here this here, that x minus 14 in one bracket and minus x plus 13 another bracket. So you write here x minus 14 is equals to 0, x is equal to 14. Second is the minus x plus 13 is equals to 0. You will take minus x is equals to minus 13. Both are the negative, so आप इसको लिख देंगे positive. Now two roots are 13 and 14. You will check the question also, that sum of two number is 27. Question is sum of two number is 27. So 13 plus 14 is 27. Product is 13 4 ja 52, 5, 13 1 ja 13, 182. Means the product is 182 and sum is 27. So this is the question number 3. You will see. I'm repeating this again. Sum of two number is 27 and their product is 182. So first of all you will let one number be, first number be x, second number be 27 minus x, and you will write product of their product is 182. So you will put like this and you will frame a quadratic quadratic equation, and then you will find the two roots here, and those numbers you will write here answer. Two numbers are 13 and 14. This like answer you will write. In your answer you will write. Now I am taking question number 4. You will see time also. Question number 4 I am taking. If two consecutive positive integer, question number 4 you will see, find two consecutive positive integer, sum of whose square is 365. Consecutive means if the difference between two number is 1, then those are consecutive, like 13 14, 17 18, 100 101. Means consecutive means if the difference between two number is 1. So question is telling you that the sum of, find the two consecutive number whose sum of whose square is x 365. So you will write fourth solution. You will write, let first number be x, first number bx, and second number, second consecutive will write consecutive be x plus 1, because difference between two consecutive numbers should be 1. And the question is ATQ according to question, sum of whose square means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equals to 365. Now you will x square plus, we will open this in a plus b whole square, like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square means x square, 1 square means 1 1 ja 1, and 2 into 1 into x means 2x is equals to 365. Now it is 2x square, here is plus 2x plus 1 minus 365 is equals to 0. Here we will subtract 2x square plus 2x minus 364 because different sign should be subtracted and sign should be greater one. जो साइन दोनों साइन में जो साइन बड़ा वो साइन लगा दो, सब्ट्रैक्ट ही होगा अगर प्लस और माइनस है तो। नाउ इसको डिवाइड कर दो बाई 2, इसको छोटा कर लो, सिंप्लीफाई कर लो। सो ये हो जाएगा आपका एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स माइनस 182। सेम लाइक दैट क्वेश्चन दैट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स इन ब्रैकेट 14 माइनस 13 minus 182 close equals to 0. X square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equals to 0. You will make the pair here. You will take x common. What is x plus 14 minus 13 is here, x plus 14. So you will take common x plus 14 in one bracket, another bracket x minus 13. Since the question is that two positive integers are there, so this value will be negative, so you cannot take this one. Now here is x minus 13 is equals to 0, x is equals to 13. So you have let here, let first number be x, second consecutive will be x plus 1. So first number is this one, first number is equals to this one, and second consecutive is equal to 13 plus 1 14. So two numbers are 13 and 14, and answer you will write also. The two numbers are 13 and 14. Now fifth question number 5th I'm taking. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Suppose altitude means in the right angle triangle, right angle triangle is a special type of the triangle. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ ट्रायंगल होता है जिसमें हर साइड नोन होती है राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में। सपोज आपने लिया इसको, यहाँ पे ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल मैंने बना दिया इसको, ये आपका बेस है, ये आपका परपेंडिकुलर एल्टीट्यूड है, एल्टीट्यूड, ये आपका हाइपोटेनस है, and question is asking you that if the altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less, let suppose in the solution you are writing that let altitude be x. So altitude is 7 centimeter less, altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So you will let here base, let base be x. So altitude is 7 less, so you will write here x minus 7. Now if its hypotenuse is 13, find other two sides. Means if hypotenuse is 13, this one is 13, and suppose you are putting here a b c, and you know that in the right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem is used, that hypotenuse square means according to Pythagoras theorem AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Here is the 13 square is equals to AB is the base x square plus BC is the x minus 7 whole square. Now you look at this one, 169 is equals to x square plus x square plus 49 minus 14x. Now you will 169 is equal to 2x square minus 14x plus 49. You will let here, I am repeating this one here, 2x square minus 14x plus 49 is equals to 169. I have taken here this side and this side, means I have exchanged the values. Here you will take 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equals to 0. Here is the 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equals to 0. Means Different signs should be subtracted. This is the plus, this is the minus, so these are the constant numbers, so you will subtract here, it will be 120. Now this is the equation, and simplify this one, but divide this by 2, so this will be x square minus 7x minus 2 6 are 12. Now 12 7 ja 12 5 ja 60 equal to 0. Here is the x square minus x in bracket 12 minus 5 minus 16 minus 60 close is equals to 0. X square minus 12x minus 5 plus 5x minus 60 is equals to 0. Here you will take, and x is common. What is x minus 12 plus 5x? 5 is common, x minus 12. Here is the x minus 12 in one bracket and x plus 5. This will be negative, this is not possible. So x equals to 12 means you can see that base is equals to 12. If base is equals to 12, altitude is 12 minus 7, then it will be 5. So you will write here that here base is equals to 12. Base is equals to 12. So altitude is equals to 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. So other two sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. This will be your answer. So I am repeating this one, that here is the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle is the special type of the triangle in which there is found uh, base, altitude and hypotenuse. Base means, so question is telling you that altitude is 7 centimeter less than base, so let base be x. So here altitude is x minus 7. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, you will make the first here this one, and after making this you will make the quadratic equation, and after making this quadratic equation you will find that this is the x plus 5. So plus 5 means this value will be negative, so you will not take. Now here is the x minus 12, x is equal to 12. Here this is the base, and the altitude is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. So three sides are 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So last question I am taking you, question number 6. This question is very important, students. 4.4.2, we have seen this question, that about this question all the students always think, they became confused because due to statement, here is the statement and this statement is very large, but you have to catch only the key point. आपको की पॉइंट की ओर पकड़ना है. वो की पॉइंट है क्या? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखो. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. A cottage industry एक दिन में कुछ खिलौने बनाती है. मतलब पोट्री आर्टिकल मीन्स मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाती है, मिट्टी के. It was observed on the particular day that the cost of production of cost of production of each article was three more than twice the number of articles produced on a day. Only you have to learn, only you have to think about this line, that it was observed that on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was three more than twice the number of article. Let number of article be x, so twice of x will be 2x, and uh, 3 less minus 3, so 3 more than jade means plus 3, so 3 more than twice the number of articles produced one day. It was, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and cost of each article. Now suppose you are taking here, let question number 6, let solution, let number of articles produced one day be x. Cost of each article, cost of each article is equals to 2x plus 3. Now you know that कि कितने आर्टिकल बने, एक आर्टिकल का कितना दाम है, उसमें दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि एक दिन में वो 90 रुपए का आर्टिकल बना, इफ टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑन दैट डे वाज ₹90, एक दिन में अगर 90 रुपए का बना, तो आप ये नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स को ये कॉस्ट हो गया इसका, सो कॉस्ट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल। एटीक्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन राइट x in bracket 2x plus 3 is equals to 90 and 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equals to 0. You will write here 90 is 180, here this like 180. So you will write here, now it will be 180, so 180 multiplied by 15 into 12, 15 into 12, so 2x square plus x in bracket 15 minus 12 minus 90 is equals to 0. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equals to 0. Here is the x in bracket 2x plus 15 minus 12 in bracket minus 6 in bracket 2x plus 15. Now here is the common, it will be 2x plus 15 in one bracket and x minus 6 in bracket. This is the negative value, but this you will value take. The x minus 6 is equals to 0, so x is equal to 6. Means number of articles are how many? 6. This is the number of article. Number of article. TICL. Cost of each is equals to 2x plus 3, means 2 into 12 plus 3, 12 to the 24 plus 3 is equals to what is 27. 27 means each is cost 12, means 6. 6 to the 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And you can see that if there are the 6 articles and each article costs ₹15, so 15 6 are 90. So like this I have completed this 4.2. Students, mathematics, I have told you many times that mathematics is a type of subject which can give you an environment in which you can make yourself busy, but interest is must in this subject, and it will come when you know table, square number, cube number, and uh, identity formula. When you will know this table from 2 to 20 and square number from 1 to 30, cube number from 1 to 15 or 1 to 20, and 8 8 identity formula, it is necessary. And students, always remember that your parents are waiting for you for your best. I hope that in future you will work hard, because this is the about mid of the August, September, October, November, only 4 months, 3 months is remaining. तो आप इन नवंबर महीने तक अपने सारे कोर्स को कंप्लीट करिए। एक दिन में आप हर सब्जेक्ट पर 1 घंटे 2 घंटे दीजिए, 3 घंटे दीजिए, और श्योरली आप अच्छे मार्क्स गेन करेंगे और अपने मार्क्स को 90% से ऊपर ले जाएंगे। थैंक्स।